Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Walk Around. This is Camelia and as usual I'm going to show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. Let's see. Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Walk Around. This is Camelia and as usual I'm gonna show you the beautiful area of Istanbul. As you can see, today I'm in Eminönü neighborhood and I'm walking to Spice Bazaar. First of all, a little correction on the name of the market. It's actually Mr. Çarşı or Egyptian bazaar. It's a market that has a total of 85 shops selling spice, Turkish delights, and other sweets, jewelry, souvenir, and dried fruits and nuts. This bazaar is one of the largest bazaars in this city, located in the Eminönü part of the Fatih district. It's the most famous covered shopping complex after the Grand Bazaar. The Spice Bazaar is an amazing market with incredible variety. This market is awesome. It's definitely the place to come to get cheaper stuff than the Grand Bazaar itself. So many different scents, colors, and spices. For people who like cooking, this is an obligatory spot in Istanbul. I enjoyed browsing around the spice market, even though there was a lot of repetition and redundancy. If you find something at a store you like, be sure to note the number or take a phone, because it may be hard to find it again next time. The stuff that is priced higher does seem to be better quality, but I always a little worried I was getting ripped off. It's fantastic to walk around and take pictures, but almost impossible to stop and actually look at anything without being forced to try something and then being pressured into the sales pitch. I recommend to visit this beautiful building, but just make sure you're confident in saying no thank you. Lights, scents, sounds. This place is buzzing with life and the habit of trade. Very colorful place and I highly recommend this place. Thanks a lot for watching this video. And it's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. Comment me if you've been there, what was your experience?